everybody, I'm going to tell you about the sound we are going to work on this week. We're going to learn to read and spell and write words that have the all sound. There are two ways that we spell the all sound inside words. Let's take a look. The most popular way is with the letters A-L-L, which is also a sight word from kindergarten that says all. All is a sound that's inside many words, like in ball, fall, ouch, small, the baby is small, football, stall, like the horse is inside a stall in the barn, hall, we walk in the hall at school, tall, this man is tall, call, you call someone on the phone, mall, where you go shopping, and wall. Those all have the all sound spelled with the letters A-L-L. Sometimes we see the all sound in words spelled with just an A-L. It can also say the all sound, and that's in words like almost. So the gas is almost empty in this car. Also, like I also want to go. Salt, always. All right. Malt. It's almost like a milkshake, but a malt. Those have the all sound with A-L. Let's take a look. I have some words and cards that have the all sound. Ball. Fall. Looks like she got hurt. Call. You call your friend for a play date. Small. She's just a small baby. Stall. The horse is in his stall. Tall. This man is so tall. Mall. You could go shopping at the mall. Hall. This looks like a school hall where there are lockers. You walk in the hall. You have halls at your house too. You have a hallway. And wall. There's a wall around your house to keep you safe. We're also going to look at some new sight words this week, and I will show those to you as well. Some of them have sounds that we know, like this word. This is a sight word that we can actually sound out, but we also want to memorize it in our brain so we don't have to stop. This word says went, and if I need to, I can sound it out. W-e-n-t, went. We went to school, we went to the store, we went to the mall. Another sight word is also one that we can sound out. It has our sound inside. St, must. Like we must practice if we want to become excellent readers. We must. Another word, this one has our all sound. It's the word call. K, all, call. This one has a short E sound that says t, ul, tell. I will tell you a story. I will tell you which special you are going to today. This word is not one that we can really sound out quite yet. This word says new. It is spelled N-E-W, and it says new. Like if you got a new shirt or a new toy, or some new shoes, they are new. And another one we can sound out. It has our ah sound. St, op, stop. Like when you're in the car and you come to a red stop sign. Or if your brother or sister's bothering you and you say, stop it, stop. So there we go. Our new sound for the week, some words that have that sound, and then our new sight words that we're going to be working on this week. And we're going to try to read and spell and write words that have these sounds and read sentences that have our sight words. All right, I'll see you in class.